Hi, this is Create the Heart, and super, super excited to be sharing with you guys my kit for the Create and Connect workshop from Pinkfresh Studio. It is a fun one. It is going to be held in August 24th and 25th, 2024. And the company that they're going to be sharing some time with is Spellbinders. That's the guest company. So they gave us these beautiful new brushes. They're going to be... they're brand new. I think we're the first ones to have them. They're these large brushes, and they are so beautiful. Look how beautiful they are. Big, bold brushes. And so I'm very, very excited about getting to use those. They're so beautiful. We got this beautiful color book, which I love. It has all the projects in it. You can kind of get a little peek at the front. Here is the first class. So this one, I don't know if it's the first class. Here's the first class, maybe. I don't know. They might not be in order. This is wide washi tape. And we get the Cozy Balloons clear stamp sets, very large, along with the die, the stencil, and the washi. So it's really, really beautiful. You get everything in here to make everything. And that's kind of what it looks like. Of course, we'll be probably doing some different colors. And so there's that. And then this one right here, I'm very excited. This might be one of my favorite ones, maybe not quite, but Majestic Mountains. So we get a trees die set, a trees stencil set, and then a mountains stencil set. So I think it's not just trees, it's like the trees, and then I think the grass or the rock or the land or whatever you want to make it. And I think you can use this in lots of different ways. I'm very excited to use this product. It's something very new. And so I think it could be used for a lot of different things. So I'm excited about that. And then Spellbinders. So Spellbinders gave us a whole kit, and their kit is freaking amazing. So there's a bunch of cardstock in here, which I think is great to help us color, or cut out all the different colors for whatever project they're going to do. So all these different colors, and I just chose not to pull out the 3D embossing folder, but we got this dotted, it's called Cross My Heart 3D embossing folder, which is like one of my new favorite things. And then we've got a stamp set, which goes with the perfume bottle, which I cannot tell you how excited I am about that perfume bottle. And then we have this really pretty floral. So I think this class is going to be amazing. So I'm very excited about it. Let's see. Now we've got this framed art. The framed art. And this is a super cool concept. I'm excited about that. We get the stamp, the die, and the stencil. And then we've got a class with Christina Werner where we're doing modern botanicals. And we have the stamp, the die, and the stencil. I love that we get just about everything. Except for if there's any later, any press plates or things like that. We don't get those. But future ones we might. So in the little extras, we have a cool stamp set. We've got the matching die. And then we've got... you saw we got the little sprinkly things in there. The Modern Design Blocks die, cover plate die, and then very cool standalone die, the dotted fancy frames, which I'm very, very excited about. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.